In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Telegram password. Now, say for example, you are going to log out of your Telegram app and you want to log it in the new account or new phone, then this is how you are going to get this done. Actually, in order for us to get this done, there's no need for us to remember our password. You just need to log in your email. And I'm going to show you how to get this done. So we're going to go ahead and click start messaging here. And then of course, we're going to enter our phone number. So to do that, go ahead and write here the country code as well, just like so, and then the country is going to be chosen automatically. Go ahead and click this one right here and then tap yes in order to confirm your number. And I'm going to go ahead and click continue this one. Alright, and then it says here that please enter the code we have sent to your email in order for us to proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and type it here, 98167, and basically that's it. So yeah, that is how easy it is in order for us to get this done, everybody. Again, there's no need for you to remember your Telegram password or to even enter it.